Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find wallet address in Jupiter Crypto application. To find your wallet address in Jupiter Crypto, first of all, launch open the Jupiter application from your mobile device and make sure that you are inside one of your wallets page. Before restoring your wallet, I'm going to show you how you can back up your private key first. After you're inside the home page of your wallet, go to the top left drop down and tap on one of your wallets that you'd like to restore with private key. Make sure you have all of these wallets backed up so that you never lose access to them. To back up your private key first, tap on the three dots right next to the wallet you are trying to back up. Now click on Show Private Key. Click the Show Private Key button once again to reveal your private key, and then tap on the Copy button to copy your private key onto your clipboard. Now, go ahead and paste in your private key on a secure file or folder. After you have your backup key, you can delete your wallet or sign out of it. I'm quickly gonna delete the wallet first so that I can show you how you can restore with private key. Simply go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner and click on Security and Privacy. Now click the Reset App button at the bottom. In the pop-up, click on Reset. Now my wallet has been reset or logged out. In the first interface after you open up your wallet, if you want to get back to your wallet with your private key that you previously backed up, tap on Import Wallet. Now enter your private key in the text box. Make sure to type in the correct private key that you previously backed up. After typing down the private key, click on Continue. Select your wallet that you want to import from the list and click Continue at the bottom. Your wallet is now ready. Tap on the Explore button to start exploring your imported wallet. That is how you can easily restore your wallet with private key backup. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.